The form report part is the most versatile report part type in the Izenda platform. It's also one of the most complex and technically advanced and should be reserved for advanced users to create. This video will highlight some of the options available around form report parts. The form report part offers two design interfaces. One is a more visual WYSIWYG type interface where items are created through the various options in the report part properties panel and organized through a drag and drop interface. The other option is to input HTML directly to generate the content that data objects can then be dropped into. The Visual tab's report part properties panel offers some of the standard customization options like setting data refresh intervals, background, colors, borders, and alignment options. Additionally, there are options for adding in items like images, links, and even a table generation option that auto-generates the HTML on the subsequent HTML tab. For example, if we add a table using this option, we can see and interact with the underlying HTML. If we drag a data object into one of these cells, we can see how the form report part type identifies that data and places it in the table we've created. With the Visual tab, we can also interact with the data as we would in any other report part type. Adding functions, formats, or adjusting the aesthetics of the data object can be handled through the Field Properties panel. Note that unlike other report part types, if a function is added to a data object like a sum, the other fields on a form will not automatically be aggregated. For the underlying query to be functional, if one data source has a function, then all other data sources must have an aggregation as well. Otherwise, you may see this warning message. With the HTML tab, developers can achieve a true pixel-perfect replication of any existing form element strictly through coding HTML. This is effective for generating the skeleton of an existing document, invoice, or application and letting the BI platform function as the dynamic data population and distribution tool. Additionally, since developers can explicitly write their own HTML here, iframes can be invoked to render any web page or application with an Izenda report part. With the right resources, the form report part has the most potential of any report part types in Izenda and is certainly one of the most advanced features in the platform. For a more in-depth look at Izenda, feel free to watch more videos or reach out directly with any questions.